was just gonna vlog this weekend because like we're going out of town to see my grandparents. I was gonna call it like weekend at grandparents, and that was what the vlog was gonna be, and then something happened. So yeah, that's exciting. I just needed to be known what happened. So we'll look at it in a second. Okay, now we can see it all in one thing, so I'm gonna take a photo of that in a second. Oh my god. Okay, so the other day, was that yesterday? I don't know, my days all run together now. James Chats, which by the way, if you don't know who he is, stop this video right now and go find him. Posted a video called Less Than Famous. And it was for the VidCon panel Less Than Famous, and it was his audition video, I guess, in a sense, for that panel, and it was awesome. And so I commented on the video because occasionally I feel the need to do that, and this time I did, and I said, if anyone deserves to be chosen for this panel, it would be you. You have such a great insight into the world of YouTube and editing. I remember when I found your channel and immediately felt connected with you through your videos. I feel like I already know you and we've not even met yet. You're in my top 10 favorite YouTubers, and that says a lot because I watch a lot of people on here. I really hope that they take time to look at everything you've done, and I really hope they pick you. Good luck, I'm rooting for you. And I kid you flippin' not, he responded to me. James Chats responded to me like James Chats knows I exist. This isn't the first time he's responded to me, but it's still really cool when it happens. He said, and I hope we get to meet in person someday, with a smiley face. Like, that was his response to me. Like, look at that. Like, are you freaking kidding me? Like, James Chats, like, flippin' James Chats knows I exist. I mean, oh my god. Like, I was like, I've been a fan of his for quite some time now, and like I remember when he only had like 12,000 subscribers, and now he has like 17,000, and it's not a lot. He's a less than famous YouTuber, and he's small and he's tiny, but he knows I exist, and I feel like I'm just gonna barf everywhere. So yay, great day for me. Ugh. And today's Tuesday, so I don't know, maybe I'll vlog this week. We'll see. Like I said, I wasn't going to vlog much this week, but this is the way my week's going. So, I just finished Parenthood. I haven't hurt and sobbed that much at the end of a show in a very long time. Like, that one got me. I mean, I guess the last show that really got me like that was Glee. But this show was something special, man. If you've never watched Parenthood, I couldn't recommend it enough. Also, I got my digital, ticket, I think is what they're calling it, for Spies Are Forever, which is a musical that the Tin Can Brothers put on. Isn't that who it was through? I don't know, I just know Kurt Mega was in it. Anyways, it was phenomenal. Holy crap. Kurt and Mary-Kate singing together. Yeah, that's how I feel about it. And they favored it and liked a whole bunch of my stuff tonight, so it's really awesome for me. But yeah, I guess that's really about it. Tomorrow I have to go pick up my check. My sister comes home, and I have laundry to do. Oh, he just has to keep moving.
And they flop down in his face. Oh no! Don't get the rhino.
I'm going to get the rhino.
You're about to lose your You're about to lose your
Dad, you should pull your pants up, little man. He is so scared.
Can we look for you?
No. haven't seen the future. I'm trying to decide if it's really worth it to play. It's not because it doesn't
People
matter.
still die.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Oh man.
Oh, Lord, this is
What?
happening.
Oh man.
You don't understand what's happening.
It's very intense.
I'm gonna skip. No. No.
We got to this point last time too.
Oh my God, we got to this exact point last time.
So it either is or it isn't. Moment. Really? So just put the other one on top, that's what you mean?
You still have to take one.
And if you don't take it, then what does that mean for...
You must give me a card.